Hello and welcome to Freelance Speaker Plan website. This is the video tutorial extra number 2. We will talk about hidden features. So how can you show more information from your model? Maybe you are advanced user. You want to see more information, how to access those information. The first one that you can look for is some sketches that are hidden. So you can click here and right click with your mouse and you have this indication here, show hidden items. If you check this box, a lot of different sketches will be displayed in the screen, and those sketches are used to create the model. So if you can go inside of each sketch, you can check what they are referring to. If this helps you to improve your knowledge on FreeCAD, you can do it. Another thing you can do it's going inside the sketch. Let's go to the main sketch. We are seeing a very polished drawing with just a few information because many constrained was hidden. So how can we show up more information? You can click here. Let me change here the menu for better visualization. Regarding the filters, you can here select multiple. You can check all the boxes and click OK. Now you can see that you are seeing much more information in the screen. You are seeing all the constraints. You are seeing all the dimension, even the ones that previously was hidden. This may help you if you want to modify the models. If you want to change something, now you can see everything. There is also this button here, switch virtual space, that helps you to hide or to show very fast the constraints. If I'm click here, all constraints are gone. They disappear. They just were moved to a different virtual space. If I click again, they will be shown again. And if you back here to select the filters, let uncheck all, and let's indicate here I want to see some constraints. I want to see coincident point, point on object, vertical, horizontal, parallel, perpendicular, tangential, equality. That's it. Okay. So now I'm seeing just the constraints I asked to see in the filter. So if I click this switch to virtual space, the one that I asked to hidden, now I'm seeing, while the one that I asked to see, I cannot see now. So this will swap between the filter. The filter defines what you will see in one screen and what you will not see in the other screen. Or to be more precise, what you will see in the virtual space. So here you can access more information, and if that helps you to improve your design or to create your own design, this is a very nice tip that I'm giving you that I hope it can support you in your journey. That's it. Thank you.